Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we will be trying out the new Garnier, well, I should probably put the lids on these. Hold please. Take two. In this video, I am trying out the all new Garnier Fructis Curl Treat line, I think is what they call it. It looks like this. It just recently came out. I saw a whole bunch of influencers trying it out, going on the brand trip and advertising these things. So I was like, let me try it. So I went to Target, grabbed the 3 products they had from this line. I have the smoothie defining, the hydrating butter, and the shaping jelly. So all 3 of these, okay, I'm put them down now. Very affordable price point. I show you how I used them and the results and how I liked it at the end of the day. So if you're interested, keep on watching. But before we go into that part, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and the thumbs up if you like this video. It really does help me out. And without further ado, curl time. Alright, you guys, let us see what this new curly hair product situation is about. So I went to Target and I got 3 of this Garnier Fructis Curl Treat line. So I have the smoothie, which is for defining. I have the jelly for shaping. And then I have the butter for hydrating. So I'm going to use all 3 of these products in my hair. I'm going to start with the butter to nourish and hydrate my hair. I usually always go in with some sort of butter or conditioner first. So I'm going to go in with the butter. The smell isn't anything like distinct like Cantu, you know, it's like a strong like coconut fresh smell. This is just kind of like a, I don't know, it just smells like hair product, I guess, or a hair salon. So I'm gonna go in. Ooh, it is thick. This kind of has the same consistency as the Shea Butter Curl Smoothie. It's like super thick. We'll see. I feel like most conditioners and like hydrating products that I put in my hair are usually a lot thinner than this, so this should be interesting. But my hair is washed. There's nothing in it right now. I washed it last night, so it's nice, fresh, and clean, and slightly damp at the moment. And it could use some nourishing, so hopefully this stuff works good. But the thing with this product is that they're claiming, you know, it's super natural, it's biodegradable, it says 98% derived from natural ingredients, so you can't be stressed out about all the bad stuff that people put in their products because this has none. So it's totally good for your hair, won't damage your hair, won't dry it out, all that good stuff, since it doesn't have all those parabens and sulfates and things that I don't really know what they are, but I just know they're bad for your hair. It is very soft so far feeling on my hair. Like my hair feels so soft and hydrated right off the bat, so that is a good sign. But we'll see. We'll see if it holds up. Each of these products were $7.99, so in total I spent about $21 on all 3. Are all 3 necessary? That is why I'm here to find out with you guys. Alright, now that I have this, what is this, the butter? Yeah, the butter in my hair, this is what it looks like. I'm going to move on to the smoothie defining. It just says smoothie defining, not cream or anything. So this is what it looks like right here. For defined, soft, up to 24-hour frizz-resistant curls. So I'm going to go in. Yeah, there's really no like smell, which really upsets me. I just got some on my lips because I love when curly hair products are like super good smelling because people are like, oh my god, your hair smells so good. And I'm like, thanks. But this is a lot thinner consistency than the butter. This is like something I'm usually used to for a conditioner consistency, so it's not as thick, but it's not super thin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rake that through. Oh, so like, how long did I have this on my face? Because I just grabbed a mirror and noticed it. For real. Really crystal. As always, I'm pretty generous with my products, so kind of just feel it out. Make sure that everything is covered from the root to the tip. Make sure all the frizzies and all that is gone. And then I'm just going to scrunch from the bottom. And then move on to the other side. Do the same thing. Alright, so I went in with a pretty generous amount. It really just absorbed right into my hair. Like usually I feel like my hair is still like wet and you could feel the product on the outside. Like when I'm touching it like this, I could feel like the product in my hand still. But with this, for some reason, it just seems so like light and airy and like soft to touch. Not greasy at all, not heavy. It doesn't really feel like I put much in my hair, even though I put a whole bunch. Which is really interesting. It's like, that could be a good thing or a bad thing. I don't know. Alright, now that I have, what is this, the curl smoothie? Yeah, the smoothie defining cream all throughout my hair. I've been scrunching, creating some definition. I'm gonna go ahead and lock everything in with the final product, which is the jelly shaping. And it says, apply a quarter-sized portion to slightly damp hair, distribute through hair, and scrunch. Let it air dry. Except I'm not gonna let it air dry because I ain't got time for that. I'm gonna go in, ooh, this is real thick. Ooh, this one? This smells like glue. I mean, it's not terrible, it just doesn't have a good smell. So, don't go too crazy with this. But I'm gonna go in with, I'm actually gonna go in with a quarter-sized amount because this is gel and I don't want it to get too crunchy in here, so I'm just gonna scrunch it into my hair. Alright you guys, so I have all three products evenly distributed throughout my hair. So far my hair just feels super light. It doesn't feel like it's weighing down at all. It's super lightweight, super soft to touch so far. It feels pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. I actually am curious to see how this is gonna dry. So for the video's sake, because I don't have 3 hours to wait for this to dry, air dry at least, I am gonna use my handy dandy bonnet dryer. And if you haven't seen my curly hair routine already, then you're probably gonna be a little confused on how I'm about to look. I'm gonna be looking crazy. So if you haven't watched my curly hair routine, I'll link it down below. Make sure you watch it. It's how I dry my hair super fast without hands, so I'm not sitting here with a diffuser, but just go watch that video. It's time to dry this thing. Alright you guys, I've dried my hair for about 15 minutes in my bonnet, and so far, I think we're okay. I think we're doing good. We're looking good. I really like how my hair is looking right now. Super soft. It is super defined. I could tell that the product is holding up really well, but my hair is still a little wet. So I'm gonna go about my day, run my errands, eat some food, and I'm gonna come back when my hair is fully dry and I've lived it out a little bit so I can give you guys the real reaction to this product and how I really like it and see how it holds up and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that, but for now it's looking really good. Like my hair looks super soft, super shiny, defined. I like it. We're good so far. We're good so far. BRB. Alright you guys, it has been some hours. My hair is dry. It is fuller, I guess you can say. I'm sure it still has a lots to go to get bigger and fuller and all that. But so far, I am loving the results. It looks so good. My hair looks so defined, so smooth, so soft. There's really not much frizz at all. My curls are just popping, as I usually say. I'm really just, I love it. I like it. I do have to say, even though it claims to not be greasy, it didn't feel greasy when I initially put it on, but right now my hands do feel a little bit greasy from scrunching it, so I can't say that it's not a greasy product. It's not anything that I'm looking at and I'm like, wow, my hair looks greasy, but I could feel the residue come off on my hands, and that could be from me putting too much, but it's just a tad bit greasy. Nothing crazy, doesn't feel like oil or anything in my hair, but I do feel the product on my hands, so that's that. But anyways, I love this product. I'm definitely gonna keep using it. I'm gonna keep playing with it. I'm gonna see how my curls look tomorrow, how I can maybe refresh my curls with these products. I think for an all natural product, like at this affordable price point, $7.99, like that's amazing. And especially because the results are pretty darn good, if I do say so myself. So highly recommend this so far. I'm gonna keep playing with it. Follow me on social media if you want to see more about it. I'll drop my Instagram down here. And before you leave, please make sure you hit that subscribe. please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I would love for you to join the family. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.